If you're just starting out your YouTube channel and you're frustrated because you have no subscribers and no one is watching your videos, don't worry. I know the process can be very overwhelming, but in this video, I'm going to reveal 6 secrets to creating a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Welcome to Streetside College. I am Dark Black. The first thing that you must consider is branding. You should get a well-designed logo or avatar that can represent your brand very well. This will create a good impression and make your channel more memorable and allow you to build a larger fan base faster. Another secret that I think will be useful to you is to use attractive titles on your videos. Titles that give that pulling effect. People will be tempted to click on your videos and watch it if the titles are attractive. Examples of ways that you can start these titles is by using how to do something. You know, if you go to YouTube, you'll see a lot of people using that type of titles. Another way is to use the secret of something. These are 2 ways that I think will bring you a lot of results, so check them out. But use titles that excite people. Forget about the boring titles. Use titles that you know people are already searching for. The third secret that I'm going to share with you is a very important one. Post content that helps people. You know, talk about things that add value to people's lives. And this is a very good way to connect with your audience. The fourth secret is to always give a call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. Don't just assume that because your content is already good that people is going to subscribe to your channel or like your video or click on the bell icon. You need to tell them what you want them to do. You can do this at the beginning of the video, somewhere in the middle, or at the end. It doesn't really matter, but make sure you tell the viewers what you want them to do. People like to be told what to do. Tell them to comment and tell them to subscribe. The fifth secret is to visit other channels with similar interests as yours and interact with these channels. Comment and subscribe. Give meaningful input to the conversations. People will return the favor. The sixth secret is to be consistent and trust the process. Don't get discouraged because you're not getting the desired results. Just stick to what you're doing and be consistent. Just keep working at it and think long term. Don't think short term. I really hope that you found these tips very useful. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload new content. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.